Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to turn off active online status in Facebook Messenger application. How to do this? Let's start. Open Facebook Messenger application and click on three line. Now click on their setting icon. You will find your active status under profile section. Click on it. Now turn off this radio button. Here you have a multiple option to pause your active online status. You can turn off your active online status for a specific time or permanent. If you want permanent, then click on until I change it and click on pause button. These easy and simple steps you can turn off your active online status from Facebook Messenger application. If you think this video will remain helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe my channel. See you in another video. Goodbye.